Oh, you're welcome. Now today I want to show you some of the website that actually personally I've been using to earn some income online without wasting any of your time. So let's just jump to the first website, and actually the first website is called WeWord. So this particular website, you will be working and actually get paid. So we have levels that actually you can actually be completing some simple little task, and actually you can be paid cash or actually gift, or you can as well accept to just give those particular rewards that actually you receive as donations to charity programs. But actually this is how that particular hub looks like. So it's called wewordhub.com. So just go and sign up and actually just start making some cash online immediately. So you actually will be required to turn on your Google Maps, so that actually they can actually just be seeing if indeed actually you're unlocking those particular stages that actually, or actually they'll be seeing how many steps that actually you've made in a day, and actually they count through that, and actually the conversions now depends with their rate. And number two, we have another particular site that actually is called Anigain. In this particular site, this is actually just a site where you are required to install an application on your device. It can be a computer or actually just a mobile device, or actually a smartphone, or actually have an iPhone if of course you have one. So by sharing some of your data to these particular developers, you'll actually be given some little token, actually just amount that actually you can actually cash out using your PayPal account, or actually just direct wired to your bank account. So as you can see, this is actually just one of the very best that actually has been around for more than a decade now. So actually I'd recommend it. Personally, I've been using it, and actually I have tried it out personally. Now these are some of their partners that actually they're working with closely. So go and sign up and start making money right away. At number 3, we have Listverse. Listverse is actually just a blog page, or actually a website that actually bloggers do write their articles, and actually when they do write their articles, they get paid for successful submission. You can be paid ranging from $100. So how to get to that particular point? Just scrolling down, and actually just come down here and say write and get paid. So and actually just come down where actually we have write and get paid, you'll actually see the instruction that actually they've given here, and actually they're saying get paid $100. So for every successful submitted article, and actually that is very very easy. So they're saying it looks like this: you'll write a list of 10 items per at least, you send it in. So we reply, and we say okay, we reply and say great, we publish it and send you $100 per PayPal by PayPal. Don't have an account, just to make one. It's easy for free. So this particular platform only pays through PayPal alone. So you can submit a list if actually you're good at it, or actually you can use a tool like ChatGPT or actually AI programs just to write something there, and actually just come here, write your nickname, or actually you can write your author name, and actually here your email address, your PayPal, and actually that particular author, or actually here you list what actually you want to write about. So we can even say maybe diet, and actually diet proven ways. So we can actually just have a title there, and actually just a clear introductory to your list, and actually write it and submit. So note that actually this particular program undergoes some review process, so you have to be patient with it so that they can actually reply it back. So to another website is called cash.gg, KASH. So cash.gg is actually a website that actually will be paying you cash by playing simple mobile games that actually you can be given. As you can see here, whenever you play a game, you can be given like from $10. And actually when we see them, they are autopilot, or actually Trustpilot, that are having like 1 2 3 4 4+. That is actually a 4+ review. That is good. So you can choose a offer, actually just choose a game that actually you want to play. At the end of it, there's a reward depending on the level of games that actually you've completed in this particular case. So you can cash out through your PayPal account. You can cash out through Binance, or actually crypto. So in this case, or actually you can again redeem it through your Google or actually Amazon or actually Play Store. a card, so that actually debit card can be given out. So go and try that out, and actually it can work for you. So if I may go forward, we have actually HiHem is actually just another platform that actually pays you when you sell photos online. So in this particular website, you can actually just be selling photos online and actually get paid. You can so whenever you sell a photo, actually, if you like exploring, maybe it can be a topic under travel, or actually minimalism, actually just portrait, you can be taking pictures and start selling photos online. So just come here and click sell photos, and actually the next windows that will actually be brought to you is actually iHem's market is an easy solution to sell stock imagery. Enable your high account to become a seller and start distributing your work today. So as you can see, these people actually are selling. Whenever you upload and sell, get rewarded for your creativity. You'll always keep control of your copyright and be able to choose which image you submit for selling. So as you can see here, these people are paying, and actually these are some of the testimonials, actually just some of the visuals of proof of payment. I actually personally have tested this out, and actually it's very, very easy. So every time you make a sale of actually a picture that you've taken, so it's not allowed that actually you take somebody's picture then you re-upload again. It's recommended that actually you take a picture that actually it's a stock footage that actually you've taken it raw from wherever you've taken it, that in a property, or actually in a way in a place that actually it's authorized. So I actually recommend you to take within the borders that actually protect your rights. So you can actually just sell your work here and start immediately. No legal formalities required. Just you can continue with Facebook, or actually just email address. I recommend continuing with your email address. And finally, in this particular list, we have YouTube jobs. Now, a lot of people have been actually asking, I would like to be part of these particular programs where I can actually just be maybe a video editor, actually just a thumbnail creator. If you're good at script writing, and actually if you're good in video editing, short form video editor, and actually we're seeing these people are actually paying good money. And actually these are some of the talents of people who actually are the part of the program, as you can see. So let's check what we have now. So just come to jobs and actually just select from the category here which particular area, or actually which particular program you're willing to apply for. Suppose you're actually good at creating thumbnail or actually designing thumbnail, you can click there and actually just click here just to apply, and actually just see some of the legal formalities, or actually some of the procedures that actually these people are actually requesting you to have. The employer will pay you this bonus if you refer some candidate to be hired. So you can actually just check that out and actually just see which suits you better. But actually if you're a video editor, or actually just a script writer, also you can just be coming here and then actually just click here, then just click apply, and actually they will be just asking you membership required. So you have to just sign up using your email address and actually just continue with your Google account and actually just apply for just such jobs where you're actually just competent enough just to offer your services there. If you're actually an animator, this particular channel is looking for somebody who can do animation for them, and actually they're going to be paying them good money. Thank you for watching this type of videos. Click subscribe, like and comment. I'd like to see you in the next video. Tell me what you want to see next. Thank you.